Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project International Space Station Tracker, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. The ISS Tracker interfaces with the NASA API to access the ISS's current location data. Storing the user's longitude and latitude in the code, the device calculates the effective distance between the ISS and the user's location. Utilizing LEDs and a buzzer, the system effectively indicates the ISS's distance. The components used to develop this project are a NodeMCU board over which the code will run, a green LED and a buzzer to indicate when the ISS is directly overhead, and 7 red LEDs to indicate when the ISS is near the user's location. Apart from these, few resistors are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is our setup. I have set my current location in some part of South America. As the ISS comes closer to it, the red LEDs show status like this. When it comes just above it, the green LED glows and the buzzer glows, as you can see in this demonstration. Interested in developing your own International Space Station Tracker system? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.